Hello guys, so it's July 27, 2020, Tuesday, and you're watching me, Nikki Yu, also known as Faces Trader, for our awesome 10x Global Market Update. So let us discuss what happened in the USA. So actually, like last night, some things that I want to share to you with me, Tattooed Chef. So FMCI actually was up 15% last night, closing at 15.30. That was a strong move from Friday's $12.52. That was a take note that for a merger, FMCI is the SPAC. This is the special purpose acquisition vehicle for Tattooed Chef. Tattooed Chef is famous for their plant-based, so people are actually betting on a lot of these alternative meat products, and this is one of them. So let me share to you Tattooed Chef. Tattooed Chef reported yesterday 96% increase in revenues. So the thing about the Tattooed Chef is that they already increased their revenues 96% before this quarter. So that's a double. So some people are sharing, of course, that the growth prospects are better for Tattooed Chef, greater than Beyond Meat. So for those who aren't aware, this is Tattooed Chef Mexican-style street corn. They have cauliflower and mac and cheese. So take a look, median sales. Actually, this has been growing. So Tattooed Chef median sales, Fresh Pet, Beyond Meat, Annie's, Amplify. So Tattooed Chef is a high growth food company. So a lot of the people are actually watching this. The preliminary revenue growth was indeed very strong. And Tattooed Chef was sharing that they have some extra news, some things cooking in their kitchen. So let me share to you their tweet. So here. Tattooed Chef Foods. Okay, so we see you and we hear you, the Tattooed Chef family. We are working on getting our online store up and running. So read the full statement at our Instagram. So definitely, you might want to check out Tattooed Chef Foods, growing plants, powered foods. So that is actually something worth checking out on. Another thing that I need to share. Wait up, guys. Wait. So in the solar space, a few things that that's important is this name. So CSIQ, Canadian Solar. So Canadian Solar, take note, this is a gap up from about 22 to 24.63. More importantly, to the chart is out there. This is looking to be a breakout towards this is a multiple year resistance. So we're talking about since 2016 till 2020, that is about 5 years, or even a 7-year resistance here. So what is happening with Canadian Solar? I tell you what, the chart attracted me, and so I checked what's happening in it. Canadian Solar is pursuing a listing of its module and system business on either the Shanghai Stock Exchange Science and Technology Innovation Board or Shenzhen's Exchange Chinex market. Module business involves the design, development, manufacturing, and sale of various solar power products, including standard solar modules. The company is expecting the listing process will take about 18 to 24 months to qualify according to the Chinese security regulations. The subsidiary must be converted into a Sino-foreign stock company prior to listing. Canadian Solar remains committed to the NASDAQ listing through public or private investment vehicles. Canadian Solar also signed 2 private power purchase agreements for solar power projects in Brazil. So it is up 8% last night. Could actually be an important thing. This is also important. An RBC bank signed a solar power agreement. This is a first for a Canadian bank. So let me read that to you. So definitely, for those who aren't aware, I am very much bullish on this solar trend. As I deem electric cars is a very big thing, and you're gonna have to electrify your car with electricity, and electricity is cheap with solar. RBC signs a solar power agreement. I reached my free article limit, so I can't read that for you, but you could read that on your own. Another news for me is So just some charts that I am interested with. Cognex. So Cognex is going to report the earnings today. Next 2 days from now. So this is to me one of the companies that is doing well in the automation, the robots field. So this is something that I would study or watch out for the earnings play. So of course, some people might have already entered at 60. They're already up 10%. Let's see what the earnings this coming week will bring. A few things on your earnings front. A lot of people already closed their shorts if they were shorting their Apple or they were shorting the FANG names. You could see that Apple, Amazon, FANG names, your Facebooks will report Wednesday and Thursday. Alphabet's going to report, and nobody wants to be caught off guard. And so we are seeing that from 397 after falling Apple to 355, quick rebound here to about 379. Similarly, we are seeing that Tesla, of course, is included in your S&P 500. You are seeing that after that 2-day drop, Tesla was already rising back to 1539. It didn't even touch 13. So the estimated downside of a 27% from the peak never reached. It actually just fell here to about 22%. So some people already started buying at 1375 last Friday and already up 10%. You could see that gold bugs have been rising. Some of our picks like Galliano Gold. So we've been trying to buy this name. Yesterday it was up as high as 178 closing, 180. So far, so good. Looks like the gold counters are going up. It's true as well for many gold miners. Take a look. Harmony is already up from 250 or $3 to 750. So some are profit taking. Of course, silver has risen. You could see this was a strong move from about 18 to 23. That is from your SLV. So those who are chasing should know that you are late. Be careful what you chase for. You might not be charting your charts correctly. Of course, yesterday, not just the gold increased, the digital gold also rose. You could see that very fast move after the break of 10.4. Gold actually, digital gold Bitcoin went as high as 11.3, 11.4 as intraday. And so far, you've got resistance at 11K and then 12K. Should it pause here from about 11 to 10.4, as long as it's above 10.4, the bulls have this in their control, and 12,000 is the next resistance for the Bitcoin bugs, the gold bugs of Bitcoin. So yeah, and for those who aren't aware, Ethereum already rose 50% so far after the breakout of 240. It's now 318. Your resistance is 355. The risk reward is still 50-50 for those who aren't entering. But those who got in early are actually with strong gains already, more than 30% gains in just a few days. So just facts, guys, giving you facts. What else are the most important news? Generally speaking, so last night, not sure if you are watching this name, but this was 30% up last night. Okay, let me read this for you. There was news. This is a small cap company, Origin Agritech. Let's read that for you. Origin Agritech announces GMO soybean development and commercialization collaboration, dramatically expanding the company's market opportunity, released July 27. This is an agriculture tech company. Company entered into a collaboration agreement with Biotech Research Institute. This is a division of Chinese Academy of Agriculture Sciences, expanding collaborations in GMO soybean research and commercialization. So in addition to glyphosate tolerance, which Bry developed, and Origin has its global exclusive commercial rights in corn, soybean, and major crops. They are developing in collaboration dicamba tolerance, drought tolerance, salt alkaline tolerance, GMO soybean varieties using 3 BRI newly developed patented genes. By using the G2EPS-PS gene, developed GMO glyphosate. So I can't even read it. Basically, it's a scientific experiment that became very much Commercial. So this collaboration will deepen the Origins cooperation with BRI, GMO, soybean commercial, global commercialization. Very much pleased with the collaboration with Origins. So benefiting Chinese farmers and consumers in China. The company sticker is seed. It was up 30% last night. So far, this is already up from $3 to 13, $14. That ticker symbol is seed. So take a look if there are dips near 11, something interesting happening on this company. All right, and there's volume. You could see it anyway. There. Okay, so last news to share is, you already know about C Limited. So yeah, Call of Duty, PUBG is already banned in India. So TikTok is banned, PUBG is banned. So there's a lot. Okay, here, I'm going to share to you. So Pluralsight is going to report earnings this Friday or Thursday, July 30. So take note what's going to happen there. A lot of education names are strong. What else can I say? Nikki watch. Let me see what's in my watch list. Gold. Yeah, some displays. Yeah, so some Chinese companies are actually trying to hold their gains. So take note that what happened to some Chinese names. So KC didn't go down to 27. It started rising at $30, closing at 31. Could that be the start of an uptrend? Good uptrend for KC, Kings of Cloud. Alibaba. Of course, Alibaba has an Ant Financial IPO. So far, it didn't fall to 231. At 240, 238, people picked it up close at 250. So generally speaking, last night, Monday was a gain. Monday was more positive. It was a positive day versus Friday's bad day. It's mostly correlated to your big tech. So most of the big tech were rising last night. From the Facebooks to the Amazons, you could see Amazon is up. Facebook is up. So nobody wants to be caught short before the earnings dates. So a lot of people probably squared if they closed this, if they shorted, then they closed it already. So it was just a few days down and then another day up. Yeah, so I think this week will be interesting for earnings. You've got Shopify, Visa, Spotify. You've got a lot of earnings this week. So let's just concentrate what happens on the earnings front this week. Thank you very much, guys. See you again Friday. See you again tomorrow. And some earnings that I am bullish on. Xilinx, of course, we said we're long here. And Pluralsight. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.